The Alexa announcement feature, which allows you to transmit voice messages to other Echo devices, has been available since April, but Amazon is opening the function to other devices. The announcement feature is now available for the Alexa-enabled Sonos speakers such as One and Beam, as well as for other devices such as the Echo B4 Smart Thermostat and the Switch Plus Smart Light Switch. The feature is particularly useful when used as a one-way house intercom. For example, if you're a parent, you can say, "Alexa, announce that dinner is ready," and transmit the message to every Alexa-enabled device in the home. You can also activate the broadcast function through the commands, "Alexa, tell everyone," and "Alexa, transmitted." Google Home has an identical feature that allows you to transmit messages through all compatible devices with the Google Assistant in your home. It has been available to all attendee-enabled attendees since last November, so Amazon is trying to catch up here by deploying its announcement feature to third parties.